mentioned the Magneto. It's 1925. Puts out lots of spark. Later on I'll show you how I charge the magnet or recharge it. As you notice, the wire from the Magneto goes to the spark plug, which is grounded. It's not touching this little box. That little box has 4 different sayings. There's RF traveling along the electrical line. If you touch the wire, you really wouldn't get shocked, but it's enough energy to trigger one of the sayings in this box. And as you see, it's not touching the box. And you see, each time the spark plug sparks, it triggers a saying. The interesting thing about charging magnetos and magnets is that the early magnet material wasn't as good as today's. They made a change in 1935. They went to al-nickel 5, aluminum, nickel, cobalt. These early magnets don't hold the charge that long, and all magnets can be affected by a sharp blow, by heat. If they're on, say, a motorcycle, and you have to do arc welding to it or any kind of heliarc welding, you put the ground on, say, the right side of the bike, and you're welding on the left side of the bike, that is going right through the windings and the magneto, and it can totally zap the magnet, and you have to have it recharged. And the way a magnet is charged, you want to keep the north and the south the same as it originally was charged from the factory. You can reverse it. My machine's strong enough to reverse that, but the charge will only last maybe a year, and then you notice the problem. This thing, I probably charged the magnet maybe 8 or 10 years ago, but they steadily lose, whereas the modern one seems to hold the magnetism better, and now they use rare earth magnets. And those things, a piece of that magnet is stronger than any of these big horseshoe magnets. But I test the magnet strength with a thing called a Gauss meter. Measures Gauss, or lines of flux. And you can see when it goes to the plus side, that's south. When it goes to the blank side, that's north. So I don't guess at it, and this tells me the strength of magnets. We'll cover more about the actual machine in another video. Bye.